This past year, team members from the library and university relations collaborated to re-envision the AU Library website. Our goal was to prioritize the learner experience by making things intuitive and easy to find. I'm proud to say I think we've accomplished this goal. Let me give you a quick tour. Welcome to AU's new Library and Scholarly Resources website. The main feature of the homepage of this site is the search box. Discover Search is the first tab. That's the main search tool. But there is also a scholarly article search, a journal title search, and also at the end there, an additional resources search. Now let's take a look at the first section of the website, Find Resources. The Find Resources page provides access to collections and databases. There's a filtering interface on the left side to help users narrow down results. Also located in the Find Resources section of the new library site, the Digital Collections page contains links to 4 other collections of resources. These collections include course readings, student research and theses, and historical resources that support AU curriculum. The How to Use the Library section offers guidance on using the site's various search tools, as well as detailed information about the library's borrowing rules and policies. In Get Library Support, you'll find pages that detail how the library can help you with different kinds of tasks, including things like how to go about planning your research, finding the right research materials, and evaluating and citing info. Also in this section, you can find guides that the library has created for AU learners doing research in specific disciplines. For example, there's a business research guide, political science research guide, anthropology research guide, and lots more. Pretty cool. In the About AU Library section, you can find contact details, info about library staff, its mission, library policies, and services the library provides to alumni and community members. Finally, My Library Account provides a link for users to log into their AU Library account. You may have noticed, but while you're on the new library website, you will see the Ask Us chat button. Simply click the button during regular office hours to connect live with an AU Library team member. So that's just a quick tour of the new library website. As always, if you have any feedback, please do not hesitate to send us an email. Thank you.